In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get shattered gold on the VS Recon here in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go into your gunsmith, go to the customize tab and into the camo section and look at these multiplayer camo sections right here. The first 9 camos are going to be your one-shot kills with the VS Recon. Now, they like to kind of trick you with these one-shot kills instead of just having it as headshots, but it really is the exact same thing until you do get some attachments. So obviously, make sure you're aiming for the head still. And what I would recommend doing is playing objective-based game modes like Domination for this. Domination is really helpful for snipers and marksman rifles, in my opinion, just because it is more consistent spawns. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is kind of line up down towards facing, that B zone where it's going to be a little bit more chaotic. And then essentially just line up something like a headshot or even a body shot, since they are going to be weaker in that B zone, to get yourself these one-shot kills pretty quickly. I've never been the best at these one-shot kills, I'm going to be honest. This will probably be what takes you guys the longest. But after you get these 80 one-shot kills done, the rest of the challenges are fairly easy. Starting with Diamondback right here, you just have to have the 4.0 or higher magnification scope equipped, and then you just got to get 50 kills. They don't have to be one-shot kills. Obviously, one-shot's going to be the easiest, but just 50 elims with the 4.0 or higher scope. For Raptor, you just got to get 30 more one-shot kills. I'm not really sure why they just decided to add this on after, but you just got to get even more one-shot kills. Pretty self-explanatory. Do the exact same thing. For the mainframe, you got to get 2 kills without reloading 10 times. Just don't reload. I have this really bad thing that I do where I try and reload really after every single kill, especially with like SMGs, for example. Don't do that in this case. Sit back, get 2 kills, and then reload. You could probably knock this one out in one game. Just once again, for all of these, I recommend playing like Domination. Domination is by far the best game mode to do this on and get the sniper camos done. Moving on to Shattered Gold though, this is just 3 kills without dying 10 times. This is super easy with the sniper. Sit back, get your sniping kills, and you'll be able to knock this out pretty quickly. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.